kick from champagne.
Here alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me then, why should it be true?
Ready? Give me the kick.
I get a kick out of you.
He's got it.
Some get a kick from cocaine.
Does he sing to you?
Good deal. Know that if I took only one whiff, it would bore me terrifically too. 'Cause I get a kick out of you.
Where are you from?
San Francisco right here. Where are we from? New York. We have a song for you a little later. Malden and Tampa in the background. How about here? New York?
Georgia.
Georgia. Okay, great state. Georgia. Home of Coca-Cola. How about over here? Michigan. Okay. Detroit. Boston. I'm from Boston myself. We have some Bostonians over here as well. How about here? Australia. Australia, folks. What do you think of that? Yes. You have to help me. Actually, everybody has to help me out with this next song. And all you have to say is, I love you when I tell you to. Okay, that's it. It's that simple. And to be in love is a wonderful thing, especially with another person. So don't forget that. She likes it. Okay, you all know the song. I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance she won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. Here we go. Then we go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like, I love you.
Right, excellent.
By saying something stupid like, I love you. One more. All right, Elvis, let's hear it. I love you. All right. I love you. Good job.
Yes. Good job.
It's up to you.